Hey, it's Peter Eelman. I'm outside McCormick Place. After doing these many years of getting ready, IMTS 2022 is coming to a close, and it has been spectacular. It's been our great pleasure at AMT to bring IMTS back, and what a comeback we have had. Over 85,000 folks attended IMTS 2022. Over 2,000 exhibitors. It has been busy from the opening day all the way through to our close. We've had great weather. Chicago has been extremely welcoming. We could not be happier, and we want to take this moment to thank you. Thank you for supporting us. Thank you for attending IMTS. We love to have you, and you know what? We're going to do this again, this time in 2 years, in 2024.